Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get into the rooms in Roblox Doors. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do to get in the rooms, you have to buy 2 lockpicks at the start of the game. And if you don't have enough of that, then don't worry, because if you're lucky, they can spawn in drawers. After you got the 2 lockpicks that you need to get at the start of the game, make sure you collect coins, because to get in the rooms you need a skeleton key. The skeleton key costs 250 coins, so just make sure you get 250 coins. After that, and you have minimum 250 coins, you need to get past level 50 to buy the skeleton key. Now this is because after door 51 actually, there's a shop, and that's where you get the skeleton key, the crucifix, and good stuff like that. And then after you beat the figure, the thing you have to worry about is just getting to door 60. Here's a bonus clip. My friend used the crucifix on Rush. Once you've reached door 60, you need to turn to your right, and then you'll see a closet over there. If you just keep going forward, you'll see that the closet's actually not on the wall. There's a hole in the wall behind the closet. But to actually get into the rooms, you have to go into door 61, which will always be a dark room, and it will be a lever room. So you have to find the lever in door 61, and then you have to actually come back to door 60 and then go in that hole in the wall and then figure out the maze, and then yeah, you should be there. There's a door with 2 locks on it and a skeleton key lock, and it says A000. So what you want to do is just use your lockpicks and the skeleton key, and then just hold E to enter. And then you're basically in the rooms. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and maybe subscribe to my channel if you want more door videos. And if you guys want any other content, then please comment below. Bye guys.